Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you honest reviews on the cutest and most popular finds from Amazon. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best squishmallows that everyone's talking about this year. Stay tuned to see which plush makes it to number 1 and why these cozy companions have taken over homes across the country. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Squishmallows Original 14-inch Winston Teal Owl Large Ultrasoft Official Jazzwares Plush. Winston the Teal Owl from Squishmallows comes in at a generous 14 inches, offering a plush companion that feels as comforting as it looks. The first thing that stands out is the soft teal color combined with creamy white on the belly, giving Winston a fresh and calming appearance. The design includes small wings on the side, a tiny beak stitched in the middle, and wide embroidered eyes that add a friendly, almost wise expression. The plush fabric used for Winston is ultra-soft polyester, giving it that signature marshmallow-like squish that Squishmallows are known for. Holding Winston feels like hugging a very soft pillow with a bit of bounce, perfect for relaxing after a long day. The fabric texture is smooth, and the quality stitching means the seams hold up well even when it's squeezed daily or used as a pillow during naps. Winston's rounded body shape makes it great not only for hugging but also for resting your arms or head. It has enough filling to keep its shape but is light enough to move easily around the room. At 14 inches, Winston is big enough to stand out on a bed or couch, yet it won't feel oversized or get in the way. The lightweight build makes it easy to carry to the living room for movie night or place on a car seat for a long drive. Another thing people love is that Winston is part of the official Jazzwares Squishmallows line, making it a collectible item for fans who like to build a squad of their favorite plushies. For kids, Winston often becomes a bedtime favorite, while teens and adults find it adds a playful but stylish touch to bedroom or office decor. The simple owl design isn't overly detailed, which keeps it looking clean and universally appealing. Beyond looks, the softness is what makes Winston stand out. The plush exterior feels cozy against the skin, making it comforting to hold during stressful moments. The teal color pairs nicely with a range of other Squishmallows, and it can fit into most room color themes easily. Whether it's for lounging, collecting, or gifting, Winston brings softness, personality, and that unmistakable Squishmallow charm in one adorable package. Number 2. Squishmallows Original 10-inch Avery the Mallard Official Jazzwares Winter Plush Collectible Soft and Squishy Duck Stuffed Animal Toy. Add to your squad gift for kids, girls and boys. Avery the Mallard measures around 10 inches tall, making it a perfect mid-sized plush that's easy to carry anywhere. The standout feature is the classic mallard coloring, a bright green head, brown belly, and cheerful yellow beak. The design stays true to the real bird while keeping the signature Squishmallows rounded look that's soft and inviting. The plush is made from ultra-soft polyester, the same material that gives Squishmallows their marshmallow-like feel. When squeezed, Avery gently compresses and then bounces back to shape, making it satisfying to hold during relaxing moments. Despite being a smaller size, it has enough filling to feel supportive, so it doesn't go completely flat. The embroidered eyes and small stitched details keep the face friendly without looking too busy, making Avery approachable for all ages. Avery's 10-inch size is ideal for portability. Kids can easily carry it in a backpack, teens might keep it on a desk or bed, and adults can use it as a cheerful desk companion or travel plush. Because it's not too big, it doesn't take up much space, yet it's large enough to cuddle comfortably. The plush weighs very little, adding to its portability. The quality is another highlight. The stitching holds up well over time, and the soft fabric resists pilling even with daily handling. Avery is part of Squishmallows' collectible winter series, which means it often appeals to fans who enjoy building a themed set. The design choices make it neutral enough to appeal to boys and girls alike, and the soft, earthy color palette looks good in nearly any setting. One small detail that adds personality is the tuft of plush fabric on top of Avery's head, giving it a bit of texture and character without making it fragile. It stays soft and flexible, so it won't lose shape after lots of hugs. Whether it's a gift, a comfort plush for bedtime, or just a cute collectible, Avery brings the best of Squishmallows: softness, a charming design, and that satisfying squish that people keep coming back to. Number 3. Squishmallows Official Kelly Toy Plush 12-inch Maui the Pineapple Ultra Soft Stuffed Animal Plush Toy. Maui the Pineapple brings tropical fun to the Squishmallows lineup in a 12-inch plush that feels as cheerful as it looks. The bright yellow body features quilted lines to mimic a pineapple's texture, paired with a soft green leafy crown that adds playful height to the design. Maui's face includes 2 embroidered black eyes and a sweet curved smile, keeping it simple and friendly. The plush is made from ultra-soft polyester, a hallmark of Squishmallows. It feels smooth and comforting to the touch, while the inside filling provides gentle support. When squeezed, Maui compresses softly and regains shape quickly, making it satisfying to hold, hug, or rest against. The leafy crown on top is made from the same soft fabric, so it won't feel scratchy or stiff. At 12 inches, Maui is large enough to cuddle yet compact enough to fit on a shelf, chair, or bed without taking over the space. The round shape adds to the huggable feel, and it can also serve as a playful pillow or back support while reading or watching TV. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around the house or bring along for trips. Maui's cheerful yellow color stands out, adding brightness to a bedroom, playroom, or dorm. It's a popular choice among collectors looking for fruit-themed plushies or anyone who loves a fun, tropical vibe. The quality construction means seams stay strong even with daily use, and the embroidered face won't peel or fade over time. Fans often note how Maui looks good both as a standalone plush and alongside other Squishmallows, thanks to its simple color palette. It's also a popular gift option because it feels unique yet universally appealing. The playful design brings a smile, while the softness makes it comforting to hold. Whether it's for decoration, stress relief, or part of a growing collection, Maui the pineapple delivers color, softness, and Squishmallows quality all in one. Number 4. Squishmallows Original 14-inch Fifi Coral Red Fox Large Ultrasoft Official Jazzwares Plush. Fifi the Fox comes in a bold coral red color that makes this 14-inch Squishmallow instantly eye-catching. The design features small white ears, a white belly patch, and an embroidered nose and eyes that give Fifi a gentle, friendly look. Despite being large, Fifi remains lightweight and easy to carry around, which adds to its versatility as a plush companion. The plush material is the signature ultra-soft polyester that Squishmallows fans know well. It feels velvety smooth on the outside and soft enough to hug comfortably for long periods. Inside, the plush is filled to create a gentle bounce, so it holds shape rather than going flat. The rounded design makes Fifi perfect for resting your head or hugging during a movie night. The embroidered face is designed to stay looking new over time, and the stitching around the belly and ears holds strong even with daily squeezing. Fifi is part of the original Jazzwares Squishmallows line, making it collectible for fans who enjoy building a squad of animal-themed plushies. The simple, rounded shape keeps it looking modern and cute rather than overly detailed. Fifi's design makes it equally suitable for young kids or anyone who just loves the comfort of a large, soft plush. It can be used as a cozy nap companion, a cute accent pillow, or simply as a plush friend that adds character to a bed or chair. The softness and warmth of the fabric make it comforting to hold during quiet moments, and the fox theme brings playful personality that stands out in any Squishmallow collection. Number 5. Large cat plush pillow stuffed animal toy with heart big size cute soft 13-inch fat kawaii hugging cuddle huggable adorable plushie gift for kids. This large cat plush pillow measures 13 inches, combining softness and cuteness in one rounded design. The plush is shaped like a chubby cat with tiny triangular ears, small embroidered eyes, and a delicate pink heart stitched onto the chest. Its simple, kawaii-inspired look creates an adorable expression that appeals to kids, teens, and adults alike. Made from soft plush polyester, the outer fabric feels smooth and velvety, while the interior stuffing gives it enough firmness to act as a cushion without losing the classic plush squish. When hugged or squeezed, it gently compresses and returns to its shape, making it perfect for cuddling, resting your arms, or even using as a small pillow. The big round body and short limbs add to the kawaii style, creating a playful, comforting shape that's easy to hold. Despite being a larger plush, it's lightweight, so it's simple to carry from bed to sofa or even on trips. The small heart detail on the front adds a touch of sweetness, making it feel more personal and gift-worthy. Fans often enjoy this plush not just for its looks but also as a comfort item, using it to ease stress or hold during study sessions, movie nights, or naps. It's big enough to feel comforting when hugged but small enough not to dominate a bed or chair. Whether bought for yourself or as a gift, the plush brings together cuteness, softness, and everyday practicality, offering both a decorative accent and a cozy friend. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best Squishmallows. If you found this review helpful, check out the product links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon finds, and join us next time as we explore even more trending products you won't want to miss.